to my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor. I'm making this video after a really long time. You guys know the reason. I just hope everyone is healthy and safe. And on that note, let's just quickly start the video. Today I will be unboxing Lady Raga for June month. So this is the box which I've got. Let's just quickly open it and see what all it has. So this one is the mini Lady Raga edition. The price for this one is 359 rupees. I will be mentioning the buying link in the description box. So if you want to buy it, just click on the link. Now let's quickly start. The first thing is this. This is the info card. This is how it looks. It says, "Hey gorgeous, June combo edition at 359, which I have already told you. So let's start with the first one. The first one is by Ebony London. This is a lipstick set of 10 lipstick. The price for this one is 250 rupees, and I really love the concept of mini lipsticks because the size is small, so they are handy, and then you can just finish them off quickly and buy a new one, or let's say change the color, or you can try like different colors. So I love the concept of that. But about this brand, I'm not really sure I'm going to use it. But yes, some colors I really like. As you know, I love pink shades. So this one. So some shades are really nice. So maybe I will use it. 250 is the price for this one. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is by Beunosh, and this is a coffee oat scrub. So this is how it looks, and I have already used it. It's a decent scrub. I would say yes, I liked it when I used it. So yes, I will definitely going to use this one. It has French vanilla, brown sugar and coconut oil. The price for this one is 160 rupees. 50 gram is the quantity. Manufacture date is November 2000 and best before November 2021. This is how it looks. Now, moving on to the third one. The third one is by Khadi Natural. This is a pure essential oil. Khadi rose oil. This is pure rose oil. The price for this one is 399 rupees. And yes, super happy with this one. I love essential oil, and this is the rose oil. So yes, I'm definitely going to use this one. Moving on to the next one. The next one is by PLUSH. It's a handmade gel. So this is the one. I love the packing. Let's open it and see. So this one is by PLUSH. It says it's herbal and homemade. And this one is lemongrass gel. I've used their rose gel, not this one. But I already have this one, lemongrass gel. But I have not used it. Sorry. So this is how it looks. The color is very fresh, minty. And the fragrance is like lemongrass only. So yes. This time I think I will try this for sure because I already have one and now I have two. So yes, I will definitely going to try this one. Now moving on to the last one. Last one is a jewelry which is random. So this is the packing of jewelry, which again I like it. Now let's open it and see. Wow, so it's a beautiful gold. Okay, so one stone is missing there. Let me see if it has it. I have to mail Lady Raga regarding that. So this stone is missing, but yes, I can stick it here. Otherwise, this bracelet is really pretty. I loved it. Let me wear it and show you. So this is how it looks. You can just see it's looking so elegant and so pretty. So yes, I love it. The price for this one is 250 rupees. And this is the last product in the box. So yes, overall, if you ask me, I like it. It has total 5 product in total. 359 is the price. So I will say quite affordable. So if you like the product, go ahead and buy this box. As you know, I will be mentioning everything in the description box. And that's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye-bye.